Delonghi, the knob is gone because I don't know, the knob here, it doesn't turn anymore. It's broken here and broken here. I'm looking for the part for this.
No, this one. This part here.
Yeah, this part. This piece right here that cannot hold the cap. Right, let's take a picture. Anyone get advice where to get the part for Delonghi?
That's the website, they don't have it.
And the website they don't have
They
it.
make a cheap plastic here.
Yeah, that's real cheap and it's broken. I had this for about 5 years, 4 or 5 years.